In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make harmonies with Suno AI. Harmonies in Suno aren't created by manually editing individual voices. Instead, you guide the model to layer and arrange vocals through the way you write your prompt. Think of it like giving a producer clear direction. You ask for stacked vocals, backing parts, and a harmonized chorus, and Suno handles the performance for you. This approach works especially well in pop, R&B, gospel, cinematic music, emotional ballads, and melodic hip-hop. Those styles naturally welcome layered textures and call-and-response moments, so they'll showcase Suno's harmony engine at its best. Start by opening Suno AI, logging in, clicking Create, and switching to Advanced Mode. Advanced Mode gives you more room to describe the vocal arrangement clearly, which is the key to getting convincing harmonies. When you write your prompt, tell Suno to stack voices. Use phrasing like basic vocal harmonies for a light touch, emotional ballad harmonies for intimate layers, R&B harmony style for silky stacks, cinematic choir harmonies for big open chords, and pop chorus harmony focus if you want that radio-ready lift. The words you choose set the arrangement, so be explicit. Add harmony-focused keywords to reinforce the sound. Helpful terms include vocal harmonies, layered vocals, backing vocals, choir-style vocals, stacked vocals, multi-layered chorus, vocal doubling, and lush harmonies. You can combine them naturally in a sentence like, emotional pop ballad with lush harmonies, layered vocals, and a multi-layered chorus with subtle vocal doubling. Structure matters. Harmonies land best in the chorus, so make it your priority. You can also ask for supporting layers in the bridge and then a bigger, more powerful final chorus. In your prompt, call out where you want the harmonies to bloom, strong harmonized chorus, gentle backing vocals in the bridge, and a final chorus with stacked vocals. Paste your short lyrics into Suno, then click the Generate Lyrics icon to let the system format and align them. Keep your lines concise so there's space for layers to sit without crowding the lead. When you're ready, click Create. Suno will produce 2 versions, each with different vocal layering styles and harmony intensity. Listen for the one with a fuller chorus, richer vocals, and better emotional depth. The right version will feel balanced, with the lead still clear while the harmonies lift the emotion. Save that take, and you've just guided Suno AI to craft engaging, professional-sounding harmonies.